थोड़ा इधर बुलाते हैं क्या?
नहीं नहीं आपण ही जाते.
जमीन भाई भाई थोड़ा
सूर्या सर.
Sir, wait.
Sir, wait. Sir, wait. Sir, wait.
Surya, sir.
How are you?
right.
How are you, sir?
Sir, we want pictures with you.
Surya sir, look here, right? Surya sir, you're right. Surya sir,
Wait now.
Sir, wait.
क्या humble है ना.
We just have to thank them. It's because of the support what they gave, and they gave us that confidence that we can go out and fight. I always trust my fans and audience, because if a person like me can become an actor, it is only because they are not biased and they just respect talent and they recognize hard work and they give them in many folds, they bless them. So I have to be just thankful and keep supporting us till we do good job. But also let me be very...
This
and
is the
give
reason,
us
sorry.
encouragement in a big way so we can go and take on the world. Thank you.
This is the reason he is the rocking star, ladies and gentlemen. मतलब कितना humility के साथ सब कुछ दूसरों को दे दिया.